Hi guys, I'm just going to show you very quickly what I'm seeing here in DBS Group Holding. I have been wanting to do this video for 1 to 2 weeks already, but because I've been waiting for equipment to come, trying to rehearse my line, trying to make sure that my video is clear and sharp, I've wasted like 2 weeks, and it has come to a point that I think I need to quickly push this video out so that people can take advantage of this opportunity before it leaves us for the next few years. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a few things that I find important. I hope I'm clear because this is my first ever video. I'm not like super experienced in doing video, and because I'm going to be quite busy for this afternoon, I won't have time to edit this video, so I just want to quickly capture this and push it out on YouTube so that you all can watch it, for those of you who managed to catch it lah. So okay, so this is the long term this is a chart of DBS Group holding for the past 10 to 12 years. I just want to show you that this trend line over here that is in red is a very strong support level for DBS as witnessed in the past two crises. So in the 2008-2009 crisis, the share price of DBS went down, hit this trend line support level and bounced off. Again, in 2016, this is the oil and gas crisis because of the large exposure of loans to the oil and gas industry by DBS Group. The market was quite pessimistic about the future and of this bank, and because they are expecting a lot of NPLs, non-performing loans that DBS got to incur. So it again drives the share price down to this level again, and then it bounces off. So you can see, right, even these two big crises, it never really actually break down from this trend line support area. So this is a very strong trend line that has been holding up the uptrend of this stock for the past 10 years. So again, in 2019 2020, we see that the COVID-19 situation has driven the share price of DBS down again to this trend line, and it bounces off very quickly. If you see the past few occurrences, it only hit the trend line once and then it bounces off. So actually you don't have a lot of time or opportunity for you to accumulate. So once it touches around this area over here, I think if you want to hold for long term, so a long term investment, then you should really just go in and buy at this level. Already witnessed by from in April earlier in April this year, March-April period, there's a strong bounce. You see, I can zoom in a bit more. It hit this trend line, and then it closed so much higher. This green bar here, this is a one week bar. So at the end of the week, it actually closed up so much higher, above 50% of this channel over here. So this is quite it shows that the bulls are here are quite strong, the buyers are quite strong, and it's accompanied with and large volume. Okay, so now it has, then after that what happened is that the few weeks after it tested this resistance level at about $20, it didn't quite succeed in breaking above. The bear took over and then it drove the price down here. So it went down, consolidated a little, and now it's going back up to test the 20.03 resistance level again. So this is a strong resistance area. Once it's able to break out, I think in the short to mid term, the DBS share price likely wouldn't go below $20 again. So if you really believe in long term prospect of this bank, I think you can consider putting a little bit of your money into this stock right now. But of course, I can't be sure that you will break above this resistance level. If it does go down to about the $18 level again, you might want to consider average down for your long-term investment. So don't go all in. We never go all in any one stock at any one time. Always spread out your buys. Okay, so let me next move on to the shorter time frame chart.